What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication on Twitch. Click your profile in the upper right, then go into the settings. And from here, you'll want to go to security and privacy. Scroll down and here you'll find two-factor authentication. Now, before we get started with this, I want to recommend that you need to have either Android or an iPhone. And for the Android, you can easily go into the Play Store and you can search for Authenticator app. And so once you have that, you can easily go ahead and use the Authenticator app to set up two-factor verification. Another one is that if you're using the App Store from your iPhone, you can also search for it as well. Now, once you do, simple click and set up the two-factor authentication app right here. And so you want to go ahead and click and enable. Here you can see right here that you can enable the two-factor authentication, and you can either use it for your SMS if you want to use your phone, and so you will need to add your phone number here to use this option, or you can use the authentication app. So you have basically those methods, right? So click on enable, enter your phone number, click on continue, and so you'll be able to do this. You'll be able to basically have this done. So you have both options, right? And so that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.